What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And we've been breaking the story for months about the Ram REV, the electric version of the truck, being pushed back and pushed back. It was supposed to come out, late last year, early this year, to now it would be the end of 2025. And now we know it's not coming until the end of 2026, if it ever even sees the light of day, which I don't think it will. Well, looks like we now have problems with the Ram Charger. Damn. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and in today's video we're talking about the Ram Charger. This truck was supposed to supplant the Ram 1500 REV and come out as it's it's not really a hybrid, it's an electric vehicle with a gas generator, 3.6 Pentastar in the front, charging the batteries. Proposed 700 mile range. That would be a dope vehicle, right? Never have to have range anxiety, don't have to stress out if there's not an electric charging station near you. Common sense, right? Well, and they were going to put this thing in, I guess, at Shap. They were going to build this thing out at Shap because they already had some of the, REV infrastructure. Well, it looks like they're not able, I guess, according to sources that work at the facility, they've been unable to run one completely down the line, just not working. And it looks like this thing's going to get pushed back and delayed, and could get delayed to the same time that we would see the Ram REV. So we might not see the Ram Charger, even if it sees the light of day, until mid-2026. And this was something that they wanted to push out to try to have out before the end of this year. So definitely not a good look for Ram for that. But the only positive there is, with engines being built now in America with the 5.7 liter Hemi, and they're going to ramp up production there instead of, they're running out of stockpile of 5.7 engines, in case you didn't know. The positive news in that vein is we could see those Ram 1500s pop back up with an announcement this year. We could see Shap and Warren Assembly knocking out more 1500 trucks with V8s. All positives. But I think the thing that gets me here with Ram and with Stellantis in general is, I know that they wanted to get this electrification stuff out, and there's not a problem with doing that, right? There's always going to be a market for that. There is. Like, you can get some sales from that. And if you don't have to make a ton of them, you won't bankrupt yourself by making vehicles that you're not going to sell, right? The problem comes in when you rush it to market. And they tried that with the Charger, and now they're seeing all those issues. They did it with the Wagoneer S, and they're seeing all those issues, the software issues, the Uconnect issues, sometimes doesn't want to charge when you plug it in issues, all that stuff that's going on with both of those vehicles. You don't want that to happen to your brand that makes you the most money, and that's Ram, right? And it's just extremely interesting to me to see that they would screw that up. You think that you'd say, hey, we'll bring this out. Just say you're going to bring it out in 2026. Don't say you're going to bring it in 25 and give yourself another black eye, But it could also be, and this is conjecture on my part, I don't have anything to back that up. Anytime I'm taking a guess or just saying something that I think is what it is, I'll say that. I'm not saying it's from sources. I think maybe there is no Ram Charger. I think maybe they roll back all this electrification crap and they go back to making the stuff that Americans want. We'll have to see. But I thought it was interesting, just a bonus video for you guys. Ram Charger, delayed, not a shock. How long it is, we'll have to see. They're saying mid to maybe even end of 2026 before you see that thing. we'll have to see. We'll have to see. A part of it has to do with the assembly / manufacturing part of that truck. So we'll see what happens. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friend.